means you need to go in first. We're gonna switch around. So I'm gonna swing this way, and you're gonna keep going through that door. You're gonna walk backwards, walk backwards, walk backwards.
Yesterday we put in doors, and the windows went in like pretty easily, so I didn't think that the doors would be so difficult, but the doors actually did require a lot more work. Thankfully, my partner and I got lucky and we got a door that wasn't too bad, but because they are made in a factory, the framing around it might not necessarily be like really good. So you have to put a lot of shims in the doors, you have to figure out when it's level, and you have to know where those shims need to go, you know. So there was a lot that went into that process, but I mean, it's really cool to see. But yeah, I mean, it's like with anything else, if you're not paying attention to the details, then it's gonna be wonky. And you don't want that. You want your door to shut correctly. If it's not gonna shut correctly, then how are you gonna keep the elements outside from coming in, you know? I look forward to coming to school every day, honestly. I enjoy the people that I have to do this work with and that I have to learn all these things with. Dude, Nelson's got a good class. I like everybody that's here. It's awesome. Because even if like there are people here that have worked in construction and they more or less have a really good idea of what they're doing, but even they're still learning and even they're able to teach me stuff, you know, and that's exciting.